In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Heavenly Bodies with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a game save where you will be able to play with you and someone else on Heavenly Bodies. To do this, you need an additional controller. As of today, natively, you can only do local co-op. So if you want to play with someone else, the only option that you will have is going to be local co-op. They don't offer online. So if you want to do online, you will have to look into alternatives. I'm going to briefly cover the alternatives, but keep in mind that for this video, I'm going to be focusing on local co-op. So immediately upon starting the game, you will be able to go over to Start, choose one of the 3 available save slots, and then you can choose between single player or local co-op. If you want to play with a friend, you have to go over to local co-op. As of today, you can do a 2-player session, so at most you will be inviting one more friend. So all that you have to do now is connect an additional controller to any platform, either a console or PC, and press the specified button on the additional controller, on this example here, X. Once you press that button, you will be able to customize the movement style for you, and your friend will be able to do the same, and afterwards you can start the game. You will go through the loading screens, and you will see cutscenes, and you will get instructions on how to play the game. Now, if you want to do online, while it is possible for you to do this, you will have to explore options outside of the game, because like I said, it natively only offers the option to do local co-op. So, for the options that you have regarding online, you can either use remote play if you are playing on PC through Steam, or alternatively, you will be able to use something like share play on PlayStation, where each of you will be able to play from your own console using your own controller, even if you are far away. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Heavenly Bodies with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.